Do you also think Canva is just for basic graphics and thumbnail designs? Then you really need to watch this video till the end. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit professional YouTube videos even if you have zero experience in video editing. So this is Krishna from Digital Contours. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And yes, it's not just for reels, whether you are creating short form videos or long form YouTube videos. You can watch this tutorial and create your own videos. Plus, even if you are using Canva free, still you can all the steps that I'm going to show it to you and edit videos using Canva free. I'll share few tips how you can use Canva free to create professional videos. And the best part about Canva, it's completely online. No need for expensive PC or software. No storage worry. You can edit from your phone and laptop. Canva works for any device. Do not skip any of the steps because I'll explain pro tips while explaining the tutorial. And these tips mostly used by creators who gets millions of views. So watch till the end and hit that like button if you enjoy. Subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Alright, so let's get started with how you can edit YouTube videos using Canva step by step. So first step is set up your Canva. Second step, upload your footage. Once you uploaded your footage, then you need to arrange and trim your clips. Once the trimming is done, then you need to add text, titles and subtitles. Once the text titles is done, then we will add transition, music and sound effects to the video. Step 1. Selecting right canvas for the video. First thing first, head over to the canva.com. Here you need to select the video tab first. Whenever you want to edit the video or create animations, always select the video tab. Now you need to select the canvas size here for YouTube project size 1920 by 1080. This is full HD. And if you want to make shorts, reels, then select mobile video or Instagram reels. The size of it is 1080 by 1920, which is vertical. Getting the size right is super important because your edit or your video might go out of the frame. Step 2. Upload your footage. Now upload your footage. I'm uploading my clips here. A-rolls, screen recording, screenshots, B-rolls, whatever you are going to need for this particular video, then you can upload here. So how you can upload? Go to Canva upload tab and just drag and drop your files here or use the upload button directly. You can upload videos, audio files, PNG images, you name it. And so there is no storage because everything will be uploaded in the cloud. Step 3. Arranging and trimming all. Bring all the clips into the timeline and arrange them however you want. Canva's workflow is super simple. Just drag and drop. No confusing layers. First, you need to cut all the unnecessary parts here or pauses YouTube while recording the video. Select the clip, right click and choose split page option. You can directly press yes on your keyboard to split or cut. Once you split the page, now you need to delete the unwanted part. And how you can do so? To delete unwanted part, you just need to right click on it, click on the delete page, or you can directly select the unwanted part of the clip and just press delete. So in step 4, now we will add text, titles and subtitles. So now let's add some text, titles and subtitles. And how you can add text on your video footage? Then you just need to use Canva's text tab to drop in headline or lower third names and extra info. Subtitles are useful when your viewers who watch on mute. So now you can customize the font and everything according to your brand. Pick your font and you can customize the colors, the style of the font. You can add effect to your text or your headlines and you can customize the way you want to customize overall your text. Add branding and your colors and just make it yours. Now in step 5 we will add B-roll and stock footages. You need to add some variety or make your videos more interesting. That then you need to add some B-roll footages in your videos. So dragging some stock footages or B-rolls from Canva's library, you just need to type the keyword that you are looking for and you can use clips from the Canva libraries to your footage. Or you can just make your own B-rolls by using basic animations. For all my videos, I create B-rolls in Canva. I use basic animations to create B-rolls and I use in my main videos. Pro tip, whenever you are explaining something or whenever your main footage is getting too long or getting boring, you can add B-roll. Now we added B-roll footage and we added text and everything. It's time to add transition, music and sound effects to the video. So now it's time to spice things up. Add transitions, music, and effects. If you want smooth movement between two clips, then you need to add transitions. So just click on this plus, click on this button and pick the transition which matches your style. Here you can see dissolve, slide, circle white, color white. If you want to make smooth animation like morph animation, use match and move transition. To add music in your videos, check Canva's built-in library for music and audio effect. You will find most of the required sound effect in Canva library like whooshes, keyboard typing, mouse click, etc. For free users, you can download sound effects and royalty-free music from Pixabay website and from YouTube audio library. And you can directly upload that sound effect and music inside the Canva ID and use in your videos. Bonus tip, you can directly add your voiceover inside the Canva. Here you can see, and even you can generate AI voice. You just need to add your script here. You can select the voice in different languages. Just for example, I'll select Hindi, and here you can see two options, male and female. Now we edited entire video. Now it's time to export the video. When you hit the share button at the top right, here you can see, select download and make sure you are exporting in MP4 format, and 1080 pixel resolution is perfect. If you want to 4K, you will need Canva Pro. I think 1080 is, it's perfect for YouTube long form and short form reels and shorts. So here is pro tip for you. Use pattern interrupt every 15 to 20 seconds. Add jump cuts, something new to grab attention with sound effects. It can be zoom effect, B-roll, memes, even emojis. Don't forget to add sound effect to it. Anything just to keep it fresh so viewers don't get bored and click away. These little changes keeps attention and your video will stand out. And that's it. No complicated software, no expensive gear. With Canva, you can edit clean, professional YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe to the channel so I can create more tutorials for you. And I will see you in the next video. Until, keep creating.